In this video, I'm going to show you how to change speed in Soundtrap. Now that's actually very simple. First, you have to select the audio where you want to change speed. Now I'm going to play this for you right now when the speed is original.
Okay, this is just some sample.
Okay, so we get the point. It's just some sample audio. Then you have to hover over your track, your audio, which you want to change the speed of, and then hold down your Alt key on your keyboard. And when you do that, you'll see that this icon, this symbol over here, is actually going to change into like two arrows. Now, when you do that, go ahead and click on the edge and then drag it to the right if you want to actually slow down the audio. So just like that, and it's going to start stretching. This will take a few seconds depending on how long your audio is. And whenever that's done, you'll be able to play it again, and you'll see that you've successfully changed the speed. So just like this, as you can see. Okay, so it's very slow now. And if I hold down my Alt key again, and if I go ahead and shorten it like this, now it's going to speed up by a lot. Okay, so again, it's going to say stretching, wait for a few seconds, and I'm going to play it for you again so we can hear it's actually now sped up and the audio has been changed basically completely. So let me play this. There we go.
Okay, this is just some sample.
Okay, so yeah, the speed has changed. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.